Our next topic is studying about the four companies, that is Flipkart, Ola, Big Basket, and Redbus. And the first company is your Flipkart. The main things which you'll have to remember is who is the founder, when it was founded, where is the headquarters. Okay, these are the things which you'll have to remember because it is very important for your exam point of view. So, Flipkart was founded on October 2007. The founders are Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. It is the headquarters is in Bangalore only, and it is legally registered in Singapore. The initial investment which of Flipkart was rupees 4 lakh for opening the website. In that they spent rupees 2 lakh to buy the computers. And initially they started selling with the books online, and now they are like selling about more than 15 million products. On October 6th 2014, it went for the biggest deal in Indian history called Big Billion Day, where on that day they sold their products by giving many discounts. Like they sold it for like giving it for 1 rupee, or it might be like 80% discount, 70% discount, like this on each product. And the next is the founders, that is the Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, were the alumni of IIT Delhi. Before starting Flipkart, they were working in Amazon too. And the last thing is Flipkart deals with online shop. Our next company is the Ola. Okay, it deals with the taxi businesses. It was found on December 2010. The founders are Bhavish Agarwal and Ankit Bhati. And this Ola, they don't have their own fleet of cars. Like they are tied up with the independent taxi drivers, and they take some commission for every ride booked through the company. Okay, and Ola started its first operation in Mumbai. Don't forget. Okay, this is a very important thing they have asked many times in the last year papers, that where did Ola start its first operation, that it is in Mumbai. The headquarters of Ola is in Bangalore. And the main reason for Ola to start is Bhavish Agarwal, that is he was a computer science student of IIT Bombay, and he was working for Microsoft for 2 years before starting this Ola. Okay, after quitting Microsoft, he started a holiday and tour planning business. Okay, after that he got this idea to make a Ola, as I have discussed this in the class. Our next company is your Redbus. Okay, it deals with booking bus tickets online. Okay, like this app is like 24/7, whenever, wherever, and however you want, you can use it. Wherever and whenever you want, you can use it. Okay, and it was founded on 2006, and its headquarters is also in Bangalore. And the founders are Panindra Sama, Sudhakar Pashupunuri, and Charan Padmaraju. This is a very important thing where they'll ask for the 2 marks. Please, you'll have to remember all the founders' name. And the next is the Redbus was acquired with 100% acquisition by Goa Bibo during 2013 June. Okay, they cover more than 1 lakh routes all over India, and also they have more than 2000 buses of their own. But Ola did not have their own cars. Here the Redbus have their own buses. It's been and this Redbus has been like this app has been downloaded by more than 7.5 million loyal customers. And the last company is Big Basket. Big Basket deals with online food and grocery. The CEO and founder of this Big Basket is Hari Menon. Big Basket was founded on October 2011. The headquarters is also in Bangalore. Okay, even they sell over 18,000 products and over 1,000 brands Okay, example like whatever the variety it might be in the fresh fruits, vegetables, rice, dals, spices, beverages, meat products, personal care products, etc. And the payment mode is also very easy. They also accept the cards, like it might be a debit card or credit card, or else they also accept the Sodexo cards, and also they accept the cash on delivery.